Happy New Year. Hope you had a fantastic holiday season. Let's dive right into what happened in December of last year and how that will affect the real estate market moving forward. So let's jump right into the Mississauga stats, looking at all home types. On average in December, just under 1.1 was the average sale price across all property types. So let's break that down as usual into the types of properties. Looking at condos, you can see just this huge upswing through the remaining half of the year, leaving condo apartments at an average price of just over $656 in December. Condo townhomes steadily on the rise, a few dips here and there, but nothing major. That ended the year at just over $850 on average for a condo townhouse. Semi-detached, again, huge demand for those this year as people are moving from their condos and condo towns up into larger semis. So the year ended with a little over 1.1 on average for semi, and detached, the big one. Just look at this jump from November to December. Now this huge jump, I'm not sure if it's due to a few outliers. As you know, in Mississauga, and looking at these charts, we're dealing in averages. So of course, if there's a $20 million property or something that sold, it's going to mess with those numbers, or any of those high-end properties. However, this big jump, so when someone in November tells me they're going to wait for prices to drop, and all of a sudden to get that same house, so to speak, they would have had to save another 200 grand in a month, probably not going to happen. And why are prices doing this? I know I'm sounding like a broken record. It comes down to supply and demand. Check out 2021. I'll take 2018 off here. Just look how close that gap is. Your top bar is homes listed. The bottom bar here is the homes sold. So you can see here, out of 762 homes listed in December, 539 sold. That's 70% of properties selling. Now you say, okay, great, that sounds like quite a bit. So why I have the 2018 numbers, all things considered, 2018 was a normal year. When we look at the numbers, 360 out of 1,152, that's 31%. So 31% in a normal market is what should be happening in December. 70% of home selling in December is not normal, which is why I think prices will continue to grow in 2022 based on these numbers. There's just huge demand and not enough supply to match. And quickly, let's take a look at Oakville here. Similar situation. Oakville saw 68% of homes selling in December 2021. That same time in 2018, 18% of homes sold in Oakville. Obviously, that is a huge change. And in Brampton, similar situation. 85% of homes selling in December 2021 versus 30% in December 2018. 2022 off to a very fast start, with those prices continuing to increase. It is not easy right now to be a buyer in this market, that's for sure, especially as a first-time buyer. If you're selling and buying, then it can be frustrating because you can't sell until you know you have something to buy. You don't want to end up homeless, right? As a first-time buyer, you're now also competing against people who have their money in the marketplace that can beat you out on a multiple offer situation. So what do? There are strategies we use to successfully help our buyers in this marketplace to find them a home. If you'd like to learn about some of these strategies, then leave a comment below. My information is in the description as well, so feel free to reach out directly and we can have that conversation on how best to help you with your specific and unique situation. All right, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.